Hey everyone, it's Jordan from Sleeklens.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly enhance hair in Photoshop. It's going to be very simple, few simple steps, so let's jump into it. So the first thing we need to do is actually create a curves layer to this image. So I'm going to go down here to the bottom. I'm going to go down here and just select curves. Now what I need to do is just enhance the highlights a little bit more, and it's going to look a little bit gross, but we're going to take it away. So I'm going to go around this area, kind of in the highlighted area, and just drag that up to where the hair is really nice and shiny, just right about there. And now I'm going to click on my layer mask. I'm going to go into Edit, Fill, and choose black as my color. So now the effect is painted away. So now what I need to do is get a brush. So I'm over here and got my regular brush. I'm going to change my flow to around 20, and I'm going to keep my opacity at around 100. That just make things go by a little bit quicker. So what I'm going to do is just kind of size my brush accordingly and just kind of start clicking around the hair where it needs to be kind of shiny, and just kind of clicking around just like this, kind of brightening up the hair just a little bit. There we go. I might have got a little bit on the face. If I did, I can size my brush down, change my foreground color to black, and then I can kind of paint away on the face there. There we go. All right, so this is the step that we're at right now. This is the before, this is the after. Really shiny hair, but we want to minimize how bright it is. So now what we're going to do is go into our layer styles. I'm going to go down here under the blending options. I'm going to go to underlying layer. You can see a black handle here. Before we start scooting this over, we actually need to separate the handle. You can actually separate this handle into two spots. So hold the Alt or Option key on your keyboard and click and slide this over. Slide it all the way to the right and click OK. So this is basically our effect. This was the before, this was the after. If you want to minimize it or maximize it a little bit more, whichever you want to do, just go back in the layer styles and you can play with the handles over here. But that is basically how you can kind of enhance hair. You can also duplicate this as well and kind of play with the opacity a little bit. So again, this was the before, this was the after. All right, guys, thank you for joining me in this quick Photoshop tutorial. Head on over to sleeklens.com for more fun stuff we got over there. This has been Jordan from Sleeklens, and I'll see you in the next video.